How to use a Sephora gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Vesnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use or how you can redeem the Sephora gift card online. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to head into your browser, and on your browser you want to search in for sephora.com, and you want to head into the official Sephora website. Once you're there, you want to sign into your account or log into your account. As you can see here on the screen, I'm already signed in. Next thing, once you're signed in, what you want to do is at the bottom you'll get list of options. From there you want to tap on your profile name that you'll get on the profile, so you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see these options. You want to scroll down and you want to head into the option that says account settings. There you can see the account settings option. Tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you want to scroll down, and once you scroll down there, you'll find the option payments and credits. You can see there, you want to tap on it, payments and credits section, and here you can see it'll ask you to enter credit or debit card, and down below you can see gift cards. So you want to tap on it and you want to check it. Now once you check on it, it'll be activated as well, and you'll be able to check your balance. And next time while you're trying to make a purchase, under the payment methods, once you head to the payment methods, you'll get the option to enter in your credit or debit card detail, right? So, and there you'll get the option to add in your gift card option as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.